Good morning. Today we will discuss about Ohm's law and resistivity. So first we discuss about what is Ohm's law. This is the most important topic in electricity. In the previous class we have already discussed about potential difference and current. Potential difference is denoted by a symbol V and current is denoted by symbol I. Now we have to establish a relationship between your potential difference and current, which is known as Ohm's law. So according to Ohm's law, if the temperature remains constant at constant temperature, the potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through. Again, it is important according to Ohm's law. At constant temperature, this term is most important factor. At constant temperature, the potential difference is directly proportional to current flowing through a conductor. If the temperature does not remain constant, then Ohm's law does not vary. So V is directly proportional to I. So V is equal to some constant multiplied with current. So that constant is denoted by a symbol R. Now what is your R? R is called the resistance of the conductor. This is the new term for you. So remember, R is the resistance. So from this relation, V is directly proportional to I. That means if you increase the potential difference, then the current will also increase. If you decrease the potential difference, then the current will decrease. So from this relation, V is equal to IR, you can write down R is equal to V divided by I. And R is called the resistance of the conductor. Now what do you mean by resistance of the conductor? Resistance means it is the property of the conductor which resists the flow of the electrons or electric current. That means the resistance is the property of the conductor which opposes the flow of current. So you can define R is equal to V by I. Now what is the unit of resistance? Unit of R, that is equal to Ohm, which is denoted by this symbol. This is used for your Ohm. So the unit of resistance is your Ohm. Now, if the question is define 1 Ohm, only define 1 Ohm, then how can you define? So 1 Ohm means when the potential difference is 1 volt and the current is 1 ampere. So R is equal to V by I. That means if you take potential difference is equal to 1 volt and current is equal to 1 ampere, then R is equal to 1 volt. So how can we define 1 ohm? 1 ohm is equal to the resistance of the conductor when the current of 1 ampere is flowing through a conductor of potential difference 1 volt divided by 1 ampere, that is equal to 1 ohm. Now from this relation, V is directly proportional to I. That means if you plot a graph between potential difference and current, then what is the nature of the graph? These two quantities are directly proportional. That means the graph will be a linear graph. Linear graph means sometimes you can write down the straight line. But you have to specify which type of straight line graph. Suppose we take B along y-axis and current along x-axis. Then the graph will be like here, this. V by I. This is called the linear graph, or sometimes it is written as the straight line. But straight line means if you will write down only straight line, then this is also straight line, this will be also straight line, this is also straight line, this is also straight line. Then how can you specify this straight line? If a student writes the nature of the graph is straight line, then it is wrong. If a student can write down a straight line passing through a origin, that means we have to consider only this type of graph. Either you can write down a linear graph or a straight line passing through an origin. That means only we can consider this type of graph, which is a straight line and passing through the origin. So this is the most important topic about your Ohm's, which is included in your electricity. Now, sometimes the question is, suppose the value of potential difference and current will be given to you. Then you have to plot the graph and find out the resistance also by using that graph. So how can you find out? For example, suppose potential difference and current. Suppose 0.3, 0.3, 1, 1.5, 1.5, 2.5, 2.5. That means this is the reading of your voltmeter and ammeter. Now you can plot the graph like this. Just plot the points and then you can join. Then the graph will be a linear graph according to Ohm's law. Now how can you find out the resistance from this graph? Resistance means, what is the formula of resistance? V by I. V by I means already potential difference is taken along y-axis and current is taken along x-axis. So you have to find out the slope of the graph. Slope, how can you find out the slope? Slope is equal to P by B. P means your perpendicular and B is your base. So now the graph is this straight line. Now you can consider any point on this graph. Any point. Drop a perpendicular. This is your P and this value is your B. You can find out the value of P from this. Already it has been divided in the form of your scale. So now put the value of your P and B. Then you can find out the value of your resistance. So from Ohm's law, you have to remember statement of the Ohm's law. What is your R? What is the unit of resistance? And what is the nature of the graph for your Ohm's law? And how can you find out the resistance? By plotting a graph for Ohm's law